Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to give this thing a little makeover. When we first put it together, we did not do the best job in stabilizing it. So we're gonna go ahead and take it apart and fix it so it doesn't fall or lean. And I might just flip these boards that are kind of what's it called, bent like this. I might flip them around. I don't know. I might wet them, put some heavy pavers on them to flatten them out. We'll see how far I get, but I'm gonna start undoing some of this, and then we'll put it back together and just make the whole thing better. Anyways, I want to show you guys. I cleaned this whole side. There's stuff that I need to do. All I focused was just in cleaning it, like taking everything that looks sad out. And now, well, school is almost over, so I'm gonna have a lot of time. So my goal is just to clean the fence and then make little pots. And I think on over there where there's lots of shade, because the trees have gotten so big, and the palm trees, I'm going to put bromeliads in pots, and I think that will look cute. So I'm gonna figure that out. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And then see, that's something that was over there that looks really sad, and I moved it over here. It's just old and it really needs a makeover, a pick me up. But other than that, everything is good. I just cleaned the floor yesterday on this side, but as you can see, leaves quickly start to fall. So yeah, and I definitely am gonna put up a shade cloth. I have to. I feel like the sun feels so strong right now. And it's only 11, and I think that for these, and it hasn't been raining, so for these plants to just not to start to look so thirsty and bleached by the sun, I think I'm gonna put up a shade cloth, and we'll see how that goes. I think of my dogs as cows, or little piggies. They're always out here eating some type of seed on the floor. They are a pain in the butt. But anyways, there are all the plants that were on that little shelf, so I'm just gonna work on fixing that. I will show you guys afterwards. See you later, guys. So we are all done with this little project. So we reinforced it. What we did was we took it apart, and then we put the main legs together with an X in the back to give it support, and then we put a bottom down there, so that gives it even more support. And then what I did with the shelves, I flipped them over. I did wet them down and laid bricks on them for a little bit to see if it would flatten it out. I think it did, but I was too impatient to put it back together again, so I just put it back together real quick. And yeah, so it's a little bit elevated, but at least it's not sagging anymore. So yeah, I think it looks good. And then I painted it black. I did not want to paint the whole thing black. My main focus is just this part here. It just gets really ugly. Rain after rain, it starts making the rings, and it just looks better black. So black is not usually my first color of choice when it comes to painting furniture, but for this type of situation, when you have plants, you know, you could, like that, I painted that black. You could see a little ring, but that's just it, you know. It's not like before where you could see some of the mold and all that stuff. So yeah. Let me update you guys. I did put my shade cloth up yesterday. When we were working back here, I realized how strong the sun felt in my skin. So if it feels like that on my skin, I can imagine how it feels on the succulents. So yeah, I was trying to mainly cover this little area because I really like how it looks, and I don't want to have to change it from where it is. And then I don't want them to get bleached, because succulents do get sun bleach. You can see it in a lot of the, what is it called, in the colorful ones. You'll see that they just look more pale in color instead of their vibrant natural color. So yeah, so that was the main focus on that. And then to end this video, I'm going to show you guys some of the new cacti that I bought at the Plant Palooza at Mount Botanical Garden for this spring. And look at here. Look at this beauty right here. Look at that one. I don't know the names of them. So yeah. So this one is new. It's got some buds. This one. And it's my favorite time to go to the plant show because I know that if he's gonna have cactus, he's gonna have blooming cactus, and then that is the best way that I can really tell if I don't have that particular flowering cactus, right? Because some of them do look similar. Look at this one, so cool. And then this one too. This one is in the family of this one, copia. I love copias. They're very expensive, but with him I get very lucky. I mean, these prices, guys, they are so amazing. $6, $10, $10, $6, $6, $10. Here's another one, $6. Tell me, where can I get that? Probably Home Depot, but I won't get the particular plant, right? Because they usually stick to the same cactuses. Very rarely that you'll see them bring something different, you know, like. And I mean, this is rare, and I found this at Home Depot a long time ago, but it was in a whole pot. So you do see some, especially in multiple arrangements. That's when you'll see like a unique cactus. So yeah, this one's from Walmart. I got a while ago. I think I've already showed it to you, but look, it wants a flower. I don't particularly like the way it looks. I just don't know if it's just maybe it looks like this because it's been getting too much sun. I do have one there. It looks so much better. But yeah, I don't like how pale and chalky it looks. So I might move it to somewhere like over here. It just gets a little bit more less light. We'll see how it does there. But anyways, and then I have some more here. Oh, and also I'm debating whether I should put my shade cloth or not, because like right now, what time is it? It's 1:39. So this is gonna be, but it doesn't get sun all day like this. So that is the debate. Should I do it? Should I not do it? You know? So yeah, that's what I'm debating about. Should I put the shade cloth? And then if I do, it's the curtain one that I had made for this, so that it's not too dark, you know. So maybe I will. Ooh, it's hot in there, and I gotta turn on the fan. I haven't turned on the fan. Look at this one, she's coming back. So for the winter, this loses its leaves and it looks pretty sad, but now it's coming back. This one's coming back. I want to put like little tiny echeverrias in there. I think they would look so cute. But oh, you know what, I have a bunch of growing. I should put the ones that are growing in there. Man, that's a good idea. Okay, maybe I'll do that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Thank you guys so much. I put a shade cloth over there as well. Yeah, it's shade cloth time. I don't like them, but it's necessary. This is the table that I was using to hold my plants when I was what's it called? Oh, that pot goes over there too. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to make room for that. So this pot was over there. I don't know. Maybe I'll move it.Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll find another spot for it. Because I was looking over there, saying to myself that I need a spot, not a spot, a plant for over there. Is this one too big? I do need some plants over here, but yeah, this pot's too big. Anyways, we'll see where we'll move it. I'm sorry, guys, if that's gonna make you guys dizzy. Well, that's it for now, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and you have a blessed day. Bye, guys.